Welcome to this Hear Me Now how-to video.
Let's get started with the app setup. Search for Hear Me Now app in the App Store on your Google or Apple device. Install the app and then open it. New users will see the registration setup screen where you add your email address and a password which you'll need to repeat. Existing users can use the login button. I'll add some information here to start the registration process. Then press the Setup Hear Me Now button. You'll see a message asking you to allow access to images and other files on your device. To add pictures and other content types into the app, this needs to be agreed to, so I'll press Allow. You'll now be asked to add your full name, and if you have a preferred name, you can also add this too. I'll put in Fred James and Freddie, and then select the next button to continue. To help identify you to others, you can also add a picture using the camera on your device or using an existing image saved on your device. In this case, I'll add a picture I took recently. Select Choose Picture, browse to the device. Select Choose Picture, browse on your device to the picture you want to use, and select it. You can then go to the next section using the Next button. At this point, we add details of the main carer for the app user. This is useful for identification purposes should they need to be contacted in an emergency, but also so that the app user can share content with them. We'll talk about sharing content later. I've added some details for Freddie's dad. This is his name, his email address, which is used for sharing, and also his relationship to Freddie. Then click Next. The final step is to give consent to allow for certain data to be collected. We'd recommend you read the consent message as part of the setup, but for the purpose of this demo, we'll select Yes, I consent. As this is a demo, we'll skip over the different options for granting access to Hear Me Now and select Start Your Free Trial, which for Android users gives full access for 30 days. This now sets up Hear Me Now. That concludes this quick Hear Me Now how-to video, and we thank you for your interest. For more information, visit hearmenowapp.com or email support@hearmenowapp.com. We look forward to hearing from you.